this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan photos really easy with your Android phone. So we could use the default photo scanner, which works, and we can just take a photo of something. So here's a Pokemon card. Just take a photo of it. Then we can go to the edit option, and we can go on over to edit. And under edit, we can go to crop. So the first option is crop, and we can drag these little squares to the corners. And then we can just go to save it like this, and then go to save. And go to save as original or replace. And this definitely does work when you do it this way. Now there is another way. We can go to the Google Play Store, and we can get to go to search and type in PhotoScan by Google Services or Google Photos. So this is the application you can use. PhotoScan by Google. Open this up. It's a very, very basic application. And this one doesn't have any ads or anything on it. And you can just bring this over the photo. And sometimes it will take a picture automatically. So we can just do that. Otherwise, you have to press the little button on the screen. It'll take it. Then you can go to the picture under here. And then you can go to adjust corners. So the nice thing about this is you can align the corners exactly where you want them. And mine aren't going to be very accurate. And then once you have it set up, you can go to done. And then this is how it looks. So if you're scanning a bunch of documents, this is a little bit quicker actually to do this. It gives you the option to edit it. Now to find these pictures, they're not going to be under your main photos gallery. They're going to be in your files. So you have to search for something called like files or something like that on your phone. So we can just type in files. So here's files. Go to your files, open this up, and then go to where it says recent. Otherwise, you can browse, and this is going to be in that one specific folder. I believe it's called like DCIM or something like that. So we can go to the photo now under recent. So it says DCIM images on the top. So you can search for that specific folder. Now what you can do is you can edit this under here if you want. You can open an app, but you can share it. So maybe you got like, you want to share it to an email, you want to share it in a message or something like that. Very easy, just go to the share option right there. So you just have to locate where this is. It's going to be under the recent. So we can look at this a little bit more if we want to move it to a different location, delete it, edit it. So it looks like it's in the locations photos, DCIM, photo scan. So you have to go to that specific folder. So if we go to browse, and we go under here. Here's my phone local storage. It said it was in what, DCIM. So let's locate that folder. And then it's in the PhotoScan app right here. So here's my images. Very easy to find. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.